All right, so welcome back to the Civil FE exam review. Today in this video, we're going to be continuing our review in geotechnical engineering, and we're going to be focusing specifically on shear strength. And so I have a few practice problems for you all today that should, enhance your knowledge on the different types of stresses and how that relates to the shear strength in soil samples. So let's go ahead and dive into the practice problems. Okay, so number one says the normal stress of a soil sample was 180 kilopascals. Based on the following information, what is the soil shear strength? So we have cohesion, we have friction angle, we have the normal stress, which has already been stated. Okay, so given every time I go through a problem, I write out the given data and then what I'm trying to find. So I'm given cohesion. I'm given this friction angle. I'm also given normal stress. And I'm trying to find shear strength. So what formulas might I need? So formulas that may be dealing with the normal stress of a soil, cohesion of a soil, friction angle of a soil, I'm assuming. So maybe if I do cohesion, sounds like a word that might not, that I can search, that may be, there might not be a lot on it. So there's only two matches for cohesion. So let's see what comes up. Okay, so cohesion and cohesion. So one for ultimate bearing capacity, which you need different. We're not searching for any bearing capacities, or we don't have any factors for those. So the only one was the first one, which cohesion, showing that cohesion equals C. And then we notice that we're in the geotech section, and we have this T sub F. And that T sub F is going to be your shear stress at failure. And so that allows you to know what your shear strength is at whenever it fails, right? So C is equal to your cohesion. What's the sigma N? Sigma N is the total normal stress of the particular soil, or P over A, right? But we're given that, right? We are given the normal stress of the soil twice, so that we wouldn't forget, okay? And then our only other variable is phi, which is the angle of internal friction. Do we have that? I believe we do. Here. Okay, so I believe we have everything that we need to be able to solve this. Let's go ahead and write this out. So you have T sub F, the shear stress at failure, is equal to C plus the normal stress times tangent of phi, which is the internal angle. All right, so just write these out. C is equal to 25 kPa. Sometimes writing out my variables and then beside it writing out the values helps me to plug and chug a lot faster. So the normal stress is 180 kPa. What is kPa? It's a kilopascal, right? What about phi? Phi is equal to 35 degrees. All right, so let's plug and chug these numbers in. So I'm solving for T sub F is equal to 25 kPa plus 180 kPa, right, times the tangent of 35 degrees. Okay. T sub f is equal to, when I solve for this, I get 151.03 kPa. Cool. So I know my answer is B. Hey everybody. I know I didn't take time to formally introduce myself at the beginning, so I did want to let you know who I am and how I can best serve you as you're studying for your Civil FE exam. So my name is James Huntley, and I am a civil engineer who has helped hundreds of individuals pass and dominate their Civil FE exam. Now, I know this test is tough, and as you're going through material, you may be saying, I don't remember learning this stuff, or gosh, these variables are so confusing, or you just feel like you're really, really busy and there's so much material that you need to go through that it's a bit overwhelming. So I did want to let you know that I do help and work with individuals one-on-one to ensure that they pass their Civil FE exam. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 10 weeks, and that's the longest that it has been. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 2 weeks, and we went back to back, day after day after day, hours on hours on hours, putting in the work, working together to ensure that they went ahead and passed, right? And this exam is so important because I know that you want to make more money. I know that you want to, get some promotions and be able to further your career and have your PE. So definitely want to open and extend a hand out. Want to be able to save you time, right? Because I know some people that watch my videos, you may have been watching my videos for 6, 9, even 12 months, and you still haven't passed your Civil FE exam. And that is the one thing that's keeping you from making more income, more impact, and furthering your career. So it's definitely costing you money, resources, everything. So looking to create more success stories. I am looking to work with individuals one-on-one. I want to hop on Zoom with you. I want you to share what you're doing as you're solving these problems, so I can spot out what you may be struggling with and open your eyes so that you're not going into this test completely blind. Now, for some of you, you may have failed a test once, twice, had some people fail 5 times, or you may be wanting to take this test initially and you just want to make sure that you pass it up front. So do have one-on-one services. I also have some do-it-yourself courses that if you're like, no, I got this, I got it all on my own, I know everything, or I'm gonna take the time to study everything, I do have some resources and materials to be able to help you in that way. But my biggest fear is that you're investing in something, these programs or these courses, and you're not getting back or having proper feedback to help you and to push you forward. You're just giving a bunch of information and no one's sharing with you what you may be actually struggling with or what's keeping you from passing your FE exam. So looking to create a ton of success stories. So feel free, down in the description box below, I have a ton of resources, including one-on-one coaching. Let's hop on a call. It's no cost to you as far as, us talking through your goals and what you're trying to do, and kind of getting a feel for where you're at. So have some programs where I can work with you one-on-one. And there's also some do-it-yourself courses, practice exams, study guides, resources, free material, all of that down in the description box below. So feel free to check out that stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is what I do. We want to get you to the next phase of your civil engineering career. And leave a comment if you had any questions about what I went through, the information that I covered. And feel free to definitely schedule a call with me, and looking forward to creating more success stories. So be sure to check out this next video